Welcome back, everyone! It's day 76 of our 100 Days of Python series, and today we're diving into the exciting world of big data and Apache Spark. We'll cover the basics of big data, understand the components of Spark, and perform data processing and analysis using PySpark. Let's jump right in. First, let's understand what big data is. Big data refers to extremely large datasets that cannot be easily managed or processed by traditional data processing tools. The key characteristics of big data are often described by the 3 V's. Volume. The amount of data being generated is massive, often in terabytes or petabytes. Velocity. Data is generated at high speeds and needs to be processed quickly. Variety. Data comes in various formats, including structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. To handle big data, we need distributed computing, which allows data to be processed across multiple machines, enabling faster processing and analysis. Now, let's talk about Apache Spark. Spark is an open-source distributed computing system that provides an interface for programming entire clusters with implicit data parallelism and fault tolerance. Here are the main components of Apache Spark. Spark Core, the foundation of the Spark framework, responsible for basic functionalities like task scheduling and memory management. Spark SQL allows querying structured data using SQL or Data Frame API. Spark Streaming enables real-time data processing. mlib, a library for machine learning on Spark. GraphX, for graph processing and analytics. Now, let's get our hands dirty with some code using PySpark, the Python API for Apache Spark. First, ensure that you have PySpark installed. You can do this by running the following command in your terminal. Next, let's create a Spark session. This is the entry point for working with Spark. For this example, let's assume we have a CSV file named data.csv. We can load this data into a Spark data frame. Now that we have our data loaded, let's perform some basic analysis. And that's a wrap for day 76. Today, we introduced big data and distributed computing, explored Apache Spark and its components, and performed data processing and analysis using PySpark. Big data is a powerful field that's shaping the future of data science and analytics. I encourage you to explore Spark further and practice your skills. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. See you tomorrow for day 77 of the series.